First of all, thank you all for joining. So I know it's 8:30 at night, and yeah, thank you so much for this wonderful response as well. So we have this chai break hackathon, and our target was to reach 100 registrations, and we are very, very happy to tell that yeah, right now we have 103 registrations. So we had about it. Thank you for the wonderful response from you guys. So it has been amazing. So yeah, thanks a lot for that. So I should also thank the Vikram team, so and Priyanka and everybody. Thank you all for that, and especially the crewmates for your you came forward, and thank you so much. Some of the teams even registered the day we announced the hackathon. So yeah, thank you for the wonderful response. This is DC's first hackathon, and the response is amazing. Thank you all for that. So yeah, so this hackathon, mainly this will definitely benefit all of you. Maybe I'll just give a small intro on Chai Break. So what we are focusing here on Chai Break is for every crewmate in the DC to be aware of what the power of AI, what AI tools can do. So automation is coming everywhere. So we can see automation every process, across everywhere. So AI has helped us automate so many things at a much faster speed. So for this hackathon, see, you don't have to be a coder. I think that is one myth going on everywhere. So some of the people are skeptical about registering for this hackathon because they fear that it involves lots of coding and all that. No, it's not true. So you don't have to be a coder for this, and you don't have to have any computer science background. So all you have to do is you can go use any of the 6 tools we have mentioned in the Chai Break website. And see, most of them are prompt based. So it's like you'll have to type something, what you want, the vision you have, the idea you have. You just have to give it in a prompt, and it is going to do most of the work for you. So yeah, so that's basically right now we are in phase 1, the idea submission phase, where we are getting teams registered and also collecting idea documents. So we also got 70% of the ideas submitted. So we still have a few more hours, and we expect all those registered teams to submit your ideas as well if you have not submitted so far. This is phase 1. So phase 2 will be the evaluation part. So right now we have 103 teams. Out of these 103 teams, we are going to shortlist 15 teams. So we have a special jury for that who will go through all your idea submission documents along with your demo video as well. So they will go. Yes, sir, I can use Tamil, but I don't know Kannada, sir. So let me also talk in Tamil. So we are in, okay. So yeah, hi, Indrani, can you please help me out? So I can do it in Tamil. Can you help me out in Kannada as well?
Yeah, okay,
Okay, great. Yeah, thank you. So we are in phase 1. The hackathon or the phase 1 we are collecting ideas from all the crewmates. So அவங்க வந்து ஒரு டீமா ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிக்கலாம், லைக் 3 to 5 members டீம் அந்த மாதிரி ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இல்ல யூ ஹேவ் அன் ஐடியா, உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஐடியா இருக்கு ஆனா ஒரு டீம் இல்லைனாலும் நோ ப்ராப்ளம். உங்களோட ஐடியாவை நீங்க வந்து சிங்கிள் பர்சனா கூட யூ கேன் ரெஜிஸ்டர். ஸோ வி ஆர் ஆல்சோ அலோவிங் தட் ரைட் நவ். ஸோ single member team, from a single member team to a 5-member team, you can have any team composition. உங்க டீம்ல DNext leader இருந்தாலும் okay, இல்லைனாலும் okay. So 2 or 3 DNext members in a team, that is also okay. Anything is okay. So இப்போ what we need right now is an idea from you guys. உங்ககிட்ட ஒரு ஐடியா இருக்கு அப்படின்னா definitely you can submit that idea. So அந்த 6 tools நாங்க மென்ஷன் பண்ணதும் வந்து it will mostly cover most of the ஓரளவுக்கு எல்லா ஐடியாவும் நம்ம வந்து we can create that project. அது நம்ம பண்ற மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். So நீங்க வந்து you can go explore all the 6 tools. So we also had awareness sessions so far, or 6 awareness sessions when the Project Vikram team நடத்திருந்தாங்க. So it covers all the 6 tools. So நீங்க வந்து அந்த sessions ஓட லிங்க்குமே I think it is also available in DC Live. It has also been sent as an email. எல்லாருக்குமே அது email வந்திருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So you guys can go through all the awareness sessions, learn about the tools, plus lots of YouTube videos on those tools are also available. So YouTube is a very good guide. So நீங்க YouTubeலயும் போய் பார்த்துக்கலாம் all the 6 tools. And so if you have an idea, then அந்த ஐடியாவை நீங்க டெவலப் பண்றதுக்குமே the AI tools will help you. ChatGPT, Gemini எல்லாமே இருக்கு. ஸோ நீங்க உங்க ஐடியாவை அதுக்கிட்ட சொன்னீங்கன்னா கூட இட் வில் ஹெல்ப் யூ. நீங்க எப்படி அந்த ஐடியால இருந்து பில்ட் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்றதும் வந்து இட் வில் ஹெல்ப் யூ வித் இட். ஸோ நீங்க யூ கேன் easily come up with a solution for that. So that is phase 1. So phase 2 la vandu we will move to evaluation. On the evaluation vandu we are starting from tomorrow. So we have a special jury or 5-member jury irukanga. So Vikram team will also be there. So we will also judge, and also the 5-member jury irukanga. So once they judge, finally we'll get the top 15 teams. What 15 ideas, the best 15 ideas, and avangaloda solutions may vanda how far they have given effective solutions and all that. We will evaluate all that, and 15 teams choose பண்ணுவாங்க. Then it's the most exciting part, that is the build week. So build week is going to be really exciting. So usually hackathon at the build week is so much interesting, where you get to learn lots of things. So nama AI tools ella nariya explore பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும். We can explore them, we can learn the new tools, and then nammaloda thinking sometimes it changes. I remember the hackathon days we had during college and all that. So that will definitely help you in your development and all that. It's project development. It's definitely going to help us all. So that's the most exciting phase. Then comes the demo week. So that is the week where you demo your project and all that. And then once it is done, we get to choose the winner. So that is also a very exciting part. So the total prize pool is like we have 1 lakh rupees. So that's just amazing, and it's inspiring as well. So the first prize is for the most impactful solution. So that is like around 30K. So so first is 30K, and then we also have other prizes like 20K, 10K for the most innovative idea and most replicable solution and all that. One more exciting award is we also have center-wise awards. So we have like 5 centers irukku. So adula every center la vandu the best solution will also win an award. So they will get a cash prize of 5K rupees. And we also have this one more thing, the best center award for the maximum registration. So team, that is one more thing you can look up to. Kapu is now leading it. So they have like 33 teams. But then other centers are also not falling behind. Everybody is competing. So we have Kollu next, and we have Chennai, TNT and all that. So that is one more thing. Waiting. We are also expecting more registrations from the night shift guys. So in case உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது doubts இருந்தது, you have any clarifications, that any difficulties in registering or informing an idea or getting to know the tools, anything, Team Vikram is here to help you out. So you can reach out to us either in the session le neenga kekkalam, you can reach out to us in the session itself. So I think that's it from my end. So if you have any doubts, you can definitely let us know.
Thanks, Gangeshri. I know how your mood is going on now, or the whole Vikram team. It's like something like Kamal Haasan film has released and they hit like successfully. So I know the pulse and how you guys are enjoying it. So Indrani, would you like to translate in Kannada? Rudra, we have Rudra also here. Would you like to highlight the main points in Kannada, please?
So possibly I just joined, so okay. I think I just heard a bit of like what she told. I was not there for the entire thing, but yeah. So I think so. What were the main points, right? So one, we have 33 teams, alva. Okay, so. Kapu has what, like 33 teams, is it?
Yeah, they are leading, like, yes, we got 33 teams from Kapu, yeah.
So totally we have 103 teams, yeah.
Okay. So 103 registrations ಗಳಾಗಿವೆಯಾ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಗಳಿಂದ? ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 33 ತಂಡಗಳು ಕಾಪು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 33 ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಪು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ 30,000. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ 30,000? What is the price for 30,000, Gangashri?
It's for the most impactful solution. I think that's the first prize.
That's for one. The first prize, is it?
First prize, yes.
That's the highest.
Highest, yes.
Okay. Highest is 30,000. Okay. Fine. So see, I probably do not know the entire script of what you had. All right. So, but whatever I heard from you, it is only the the 30,000 rupees is the highest is what I could hear. So, right. So I think probably here, Sileka, I'm really not heard everything. Otherwise, I probably would have translated most of it. So. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಅವಕಾಶ. ಒಂದು ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಅವಕಾಶ, ಮತ್ತು ಇದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ರು ತಜ್ಞರಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯಾವ ಅವಕಾಶವೂ ಯಾವ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯವೂ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸುವ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಟೂಲ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಯಾವುದೇ ಚಾಟ್ GPT ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೆಮಿನಿ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಟೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಯಸಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ, ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಮಾಡುವ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ತರಲು ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಮಾಡುವ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಆತರ ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪ್ರಯೋಗಿಸಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಬಂದು ನಾವು ಗೆಲ್ಲುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮನಿ ಇರುವಾಗ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಸಂತೋಷ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ why should we say this in things in Kannada? All right. So essentially, because we just wanted to ensure that we have, equality everywhere, and we also speak, we get the right representation. That's all, Nityananda. Nothing else. Okay. Right. So that is the reason why we are talking in Kannada, and I think we spoke in Tamil also, Gangashri. That's all is the point. So Tamiliyum pesalam, Kannadaliyum pesalam அப்படின்ற ஒரு விஷயத்தினால அவ்வளவுதாங்க. சரி. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ. 30,000 ಒಂದು ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ. ಎರಡನೇ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಡು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್?
So you see that in the screen, Rudra. We have most
okay, I'll have to switch that.
Smartest use of AI to
okay.
Most
great.
Yeah. So I think people, once they log in into the hackathon website, they'll be able to see what are all the categories here. Yes. Great. Okay.
ಸೊ ಫೈನ್, ಫೇರ್ ಎನಫ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮತ್ತು 103 ನೋಂದಣಿಗಳಿದೆ. ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ದ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ, ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಟಿಲ್
midnight? It is still open up to 12, and we reached 100 plus registrations. So that's what Gangashri shared in initially. We are so happy to have that.
Great. Okay. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಟಿಲ್ ಮಿಡ್ನೈಟ್, ಮಧ್ಯರಾತ್ರಿವರೆಗೂ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಪ್ರಯೋಗಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂಡಗಳು ಇಬ್ರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇಬ್ರು ಇದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಯನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವರನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಒಂದು ತಂಡ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ನೋಂದಣಿ ಅದು ಇದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕ್ ಬೇಡ, ಆತರ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡ, ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ. ಸೊ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. ಸೊ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಈ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಬರೆಯೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು AI ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಚಾಟ್ GPT ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಜೆಮಿನಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಪರ್ಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ನೀವು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಮಾಡುವ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಳತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಯಾವ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾಕಥಾನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಬಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಒಂದು ಸಂಕೀರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಸರಳತೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ us. Okay, thank you so much, people. So I know I was quite unprepared for it.
I mean, few people were looking for subtitle, definitely, which we are not able to do it. But thanks, Rudra.
Right,
Thanks.
great. Yeah, anytime,
Any words
anytime.
from
Okay.
Priyanka, Mani sir, Vaidish? Would you like to share anything?
So we're looking forward to more registrations from the night crew shift. So we have the quick registration link. I've shared it on the chat. So
Okay.
you just need the team name and the team captain name. You don't need an idea and a demo video for now. So just meet this 12 p.m. deadline, 12 a.m. deadline. So you can click on this link and increase the participation from your respective centers, because there's a center award as well.
Anyone who wants to register right now on spot, Sri Lekha will give 500 rupees.
Yes, Sri Lekha will definitely. Okay. So
So
spot
unaware of
registration
all of
will
these,
find
we registered. You know, we registered on the day 2 itself, unaware of all of these, 500 rupees, and so yeah. So there's something at Swiggy as well, Zomato as well for us.
Okay, on
We
spot.
registered for the on-spot registrations.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll send
Right now,
details to
anybody
you.
anybody wants to
Sorry,
register
Vaidish?
right now?
So we have a question from Mani sir. Do we have anyone from night shift in this call? Anyone from night shift here? Sleeve? You're from night shift, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
hi,
Sri Lekha.
Varita. Yes.
Yes, Sri Lekha.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. So we have from night shift, sir. Kapu, night shift is there. Okay. Happy. So hope we'll get more registration from night shift team too. Okay, so team, this is not only for the chai break hackathon, even for the DC creator cut. If you're missed to register, please go and register and share the information. All the details are available on DC Live. So once you just log into the DC Live site, you will see the registration and submission link. At least today you can register, you can submit little late. So we have a question from Ashwin sir. Yes, sir.
Basically, there's one the veteran artist, theater artist, was looking for a team. So anybody who's looking to work on the creator's cut can write to him. I'll give the email ID to you, Sri Lekha. So yeah.
Okay. Sure, sir. Okay. Anybody have any question to Vikram team? You want to ask anything? If you have to register or something, like you have any clarification? Okay. So fine then. Then Gangeshri, shall we wind up? Then shall we close it?
Yes.
Okay, so once again, thank you so much. And Vikram team, congratulations for hitting 100 registration. So don't forget to register for DC Creator Cut 2. And also there is one more task from Kapu's side. For the selfie award, DNext team are supposed to give you a vote. We received only 13 votes so far. Kindly, give your vote and try to win the team which is eligible, okay? And also register for DC Creator Cut 2. Thank you. Thank you, team. All the best. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you.